Ethereum value equivalent to $2,536.34 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $2,497.10, $2,560.41. The earlier day close: $2,522.11. The change was plus 14.23, plus 0.56%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum estimate for April 2024. To start with, cost at $33.72. Excessive cost $40.75, while low cost $33.72. The normal for the month $3,657. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,808, change for April 12.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else, cost at $38.08. Excessive cost $44.28, while low cost $38.08. The normal for the month $4,046. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,138, change for May 8.7%. Ethereum conjecture for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $41.38. Excessive cost $44.96, while low cost $39.08. The normal for the month $4,186. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,202, change for June 1.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at $42.02. Excessive cost $46.23, while low cost $40.19. The normal for the month $4,291. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,321, change for July 2.8%. Ethereum gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at $43.21. Exorbitant cost $46.69, while low cost $40.59. The normal for the month $4,353. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,364, change for August 1.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at $43.64. Excessive cost $48.17, while low cost $41.87. The normal for the month $4,468. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,502, change for September 3.2%. Ethereum figure for October 2024. Before all else, cost at $45.02. Excessive cost $48.27, while low cost $41.95. The normal for the month $4,509. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,511, change for October 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $45.11. Exorbitant cost $49.54, while low cost $43.06. The normal for the month $4,600. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,630, change for November 2.6%. Ethereum estimate for December 2024. To start with, cost at $46.30. Exorbitant cost $56.37, while low cost $46.30. The normal for the month $5,041. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,268, change for December 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at $52.68. Excessive cost $57.02, while low cost $49.56. The normal for the month $5,314. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,329, change for January 1.2%. Ethereum conjecture for February 2025. At the outset, cost at $53.29. Excessive cost $66.15, while low cost $53.29. The normal for the month $5,864. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $6,182, change for February 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2025. Before all else, cost at $61.82. Exorbitant cost $67.38, while low cost $58.56. The normal for the month $6,268. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $6,297, change for spring 1.9%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at $62.97. Excessive cost $7,007, while low cost $60.91. The normal for the month $6,486. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,549, change for April 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else cost at $65.49. Excessive cost $81.29, while low cost $65.49. The normal for the month $7,206. Ethereum cost figure. Ethereum conjecture for June 2025. At the outset cost at $75.97. Excessive cost $75.97, while low cost $60.39. The normal for the month $6,932. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,494, change for June 14.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $64.94. Exorbitant cost $64.94, while low cost $55.87. The normal for the month $6,146. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,008, change for July 7.5%. Ethereum gauge for August 2025. In the first place cost at $6,008. Exorbitant cost $74.57, while low cost $6,008. The normal for the month $6,611. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,969, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at $69.69. Exorbitant cost $69.69, while low cost $54.44. The normal for the month $6,309. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,854, change for September 16.0%. Ethereum figure for October 2025. Initially cost at $58.54. Excessive cost $58.54, while low cost $45.73. The normal for the month $5,300. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,917, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at $49.17. Excessive cost $49.17, while low cost $38.41. The normal for the month $4,451. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,130, change for November 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for December 2025. To start with cost at $41.30. Exorbitant cost $49.26, while low cost $41.30. The normal for the month $4,448. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,604, change for December 11.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at $46.04. Excessive